Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. TeeFury is an online print-on-demand marketplace where independent artists can submit original designs to be printed on t-shirts and other apparel. Especially known for pop culture and fandom-style creations from gaming and comics to movies and memes. Through artists.teefury, creators can upload their artwork, track sales, and earn commissions when tees featuring their art are sold. TeeFury handles printing, shipping, and customer service for you, so you can focus on creating. Here's how income works on TeeFury. 1. Commission on sales. When your design is accepted and printed, you earn a fixed commission for each shirt sold, typically based on sales volume and shirts shipped. The exact amount varies, but artists are paid via PayPal monthly. 2. Limited edition exposure. TeeFury often features designs as daily tees available at a discounted price for 24 hours, which increases visibility and can drive quick sales. After the sale period, designs go into the gallery where customers can still buy them at standard price. 3. Community and tips. Customers can donate extra money directly to artists when buying products, and artists can even join an affiliate program to earn more by promoting TeeFury. Why you should consider TeeFury to earn online. If you're a creative person who likes design, TeeFury gives you no upfront cost to submit designs, a global audience interested in geek and pop culture art, passive earning potential, sell once, earn for months, social exposure and growing community feedback, no logistics, printing and shipping done for you. Many artists use it alongside Redbubble, TeePublic, and other paid platforms to diversify income. You don't need to be a pro graphic designer, but these skills help you succeed. Design skills. Vector art and illustration. Clean, original artwork, pop culture themes, sell well. Good use of color and typography. Marketing and trend sense. Understanding what people want, memes, fandoms, events. Social media promo skills. SEO and upload skills. Good titles, tags, and descriptions. Knowing how people search for shirts. Using your own audience network, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Here's where many beginners trip up, but you can supercharge your workflow with AI. 1. Inspiration and concepting. Use AI image tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, Leonardo to generate mock-up ideas or style explorations before creating final artworks. Important: only use AI for inspiration, and always ensure your final submission is original work and doesn't violate TeeFury's copyright rules. 2. Title and tag generation. AI can suggest keywords, search terms, and SEO-optimized titles to help your designs get found more easily in search. 3. Design refinement. AI-assisted tools like Adobe Firefly or Photoshop's AI features help you clean and polish files before uploading. To maximize success. Upload consistently. More designs equals more chances of earning. Join the community. Feedback helps you refine styles, promote your designs on social media, follow trends, pop culture, memes, events, track analytics in your artist dashboard to know what sells. TeeFury is a real opportunity for artists who love design and want to make money online without inventory or customer support headaches. It works best if you understand trends, upload constantly, apply basic SEO, use AI smartly for ideas and optimization. With effort and creativity, you can turn your art into repeatable income and grow a fan base around your designs. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Leave your comment if you had any questions. Please show support for our new channel. Thanks for watching.